Hello good buyers, welcome back. When I started out this YouTube channel, my intention is to give you guys a quality content. Since I'm starting and I don't have our proper equipments, most of the comments I receive was the audio is not clear enough for them to hear. I do some research and look for a cheap mic that are most recommended for YouTubers. Then came this BOYA BYM1 lavalier microphone. Now let's do the unboxing and have a quick review of this microphone. Inside the box is the BOYA lavalier microphone, the lapel clip, the battery, the foam windscreen, and then the headphone jack adapter, and the black leather pouch. The microphone is made of a black matte metal finish. It's like a heavy duty metal that doesn't look cheap. With the BOYA logo on top, has up and down button for camera and smartphone. Then, on the back of the mic ay meron siyang clip para ilagay mo sa damit if you're doing the recordings. Sa bottom part niya ay yung lalagyan ng battery. Pag inikot mo yung body niya, you can see the battery compartment. You need to be careful na tama ang lagay mo ng battery kasi medyo tricky siyang alisin pag nagkamali ka ng lagay. The microphone comes with a 6-meter long cable, so ang haba niya talaga. Meron naman siyang velcro to organize the cable kasi nga mahaba. On the other end is the mic. Meron din siyang kasamang mic foam sa box. Kailangan mong ilagay yung mic foam na kasama kung gusto mong ma-block niya yung mga extra wind sound. I do a comparison audio test between the phone audio using the headset mic, using the BOYA BYM1 mic, and also do a PC recording which is sound better. Kayo nang bahalang humusga kung ano yung mas magandang setup na pwede nyo magamit in doing the recordings. This is how it sounds like using the BOYA mic. This is a recording from a cell phone. This is a recording using the mobile phone. This is how it sounds like if you're recording from a computer. After testing the BYM1 lavalier mic, is it a good buy? Well, I would say it's a good buy if you're looking for an alternative sound with your built-in audio from your phone. It will give you a better audio, but not 100 times better. Till next time, good buyers, subscribe!